In this video, I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, John F. Kennedy's time in office was later nicknamed after which popular musical? Well, I'll give you a list of the options, and here's the list of the options. The very first option is High Society. The second option is Camelot. The third option is Spamalot, and the very last option is South Pacific. And the correct answer for the question is Camelot. And here's the reason why Camelot is the correct answer compared to other options. Well, John F. Kennedy's time in office was later nicknamed after the popular musical Camelot, not High Society, not Spamalot, nor South Pacific. The association between Kennedy's presidency and the musical Camelot primarily stems from Jacqueline Kennedy's mention of the Broadway show in an interview following Kennedy's assassination. She referred the musical's theme of hope, idealism, and notion of a brief shining moment in history, likening her husband's presidency to the legendary tale of Camelot. While High Society, Spamalot, and South Pacific are all well-known musicals in their own right, it is Camelot that has become synonymous with a romanticized view of Kennedy's presidency and the sense of optimism and promise that defined that era. Well, that is the answer of the question, Camelot.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.